For a lot of us, the money side is the scary part, so we avoid it. But the numbers you ignore are the ones that quietly cost you. Today, AI makes them make sense. Think of Claude as your money translator. It turns confusing spreadsheets into plain English. Not a replacement for your accountant, just the helper that makes it all click. Step 1. Get it all in one place. What's coming in, what's going out? Don't overthink the tool. A simple list or export is plenty to start. Step 2. Paste it in and say, group these into categories. That wall of transactions becomes clean buckets. Fuel, supplies, marketing, in seconds. Step 3, the magic one. Explain my numbers like I'm new to this. No jargon, no shame. Just a clear picture of where your money actually went. You really only need 3 numbers to start. What came in, what went out, and what's left. Master those, and you're already ahead of most business owners. Keep business and personal money separate. It saves you a headache later. Ask Claude to flag anything that looks mixed together so you can clean it up. Ask it, where's my money quietly leaking? Forgotten subscriptions, sneaky fees, that thing you stopped using? Small drips add up to real money. Have Claude walk through your real costs versus your prices. Most small businesses undercharge without realizing it. The numbers will tell you the truth. That shoebox of receipts? Snap a photo and let Claude pull out the details. The pile you've been dreading gets handled in a few taps. Ask for a rough percentage to set aside for taxes as you earn. It's an estimate, not gospel. But tucking a little away means no gut punch at tax time. Book a monthly money date. 15 minutes with Claude to review the month. Small and regular always beats a panicked scramble once a year. Then look ahead. If things keep going like this, where am I in 6 months? A simple forecast lets you see trouble or opportunity before it arrives. Ask for a simple, realistic budget based on your actual numbers, not a fantasy. A budget you'll actually follow beats a perfect one you abandon in a week. Before a big purchase, a new vehicle, a hire, talk it through. Can I afford this, and what's the trade-off? You decide with facts instead of a hopeful gut feeling. When you do see your accountant, walk in organized with sharp questions. Their time costs money. The more prepared you are, the less you pay and the more you learn. One firm rule, AI helps you understand, but always double-check the important stuff. And for filing and real tax advice, use a qualified professional. Understand it yourself. Let the pro make it official. The payoff? Money stops being the scary thing you avoid and becomes something you actually understand. And that kind of control, it feels a whole lot like calm. So 5 moves. Get it in one place, let AI categorize it, ask it to explain simply, watch your in, out, and leftover, and verify the big stuff with a pro. Tomorrow we tackle the big decisions, with AI as your calm thinking partner. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool. I'll see you then.